Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Honda Wave 125i is back, and it's better than ever, designed for daily riders who value efficiency, comfort, and reliability. This scooter continues Honda's legacy of smart engineering and modern design. Power and performance. Under the sleek body, the Wave 125i packs a 124.9 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled engine with Honda's advanced PGM-FI fuel injection system. It produces around 9 horsepower and 10 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 4-speed gearbox. The combination delivers responsive performance, impressive fuel economy, and smooth acceleration, ideal for urban traffic. Design and comfort. The 2025 model carries a refreshed look with sharper lines and stylish graphics. It's lightweight at just around 106 kilograms, and with a seat height of only 758 millimeters, it's perfect for riders of all sizes. The underbone frame design makes it easy to ride and handle, while the soft seat ensures comfort during long rides. Features and technology. Honda adds practicality with electric and kickstart options, front disc and rear drum brakes, and 17-inch wheels for better stability. The digital analog instrument cluster gives a clear readout, and the PGM-FI system ensures fuel efficiency and lower emissions, a big plus for modern commuters. Verdict. The 2025 Honda Wave 125i isn't a speed machine, it's a smart, efficient, and durable city scooter built for everyday use. With its combination of style, economy, and Honda reliability, it remains one of the most trusted 125 cubic centimeters bikes in Asia. Whether you're commuting to work or running daily errands, this is the bike that won't let you down. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.